Namaste. Happy 6th International Yoga Day. Welcome to Yoga Nature Cure Hospital, Varkala. And Dr. Amita Prasad, Medical Officer, Government Yoga Nature Cure Hospital, Varkala. Yoga and naturopathy. Yoga and naturopathy both are inseparable systems of medicines. Both the systems helps in the preventive and curative aspect of diseases from within. Yoga says all diseases are because of Adi. Adi is nothing but stress. When stress gets accumulated in our mind, it develops as diseases in physical body. So the treatment is removal of stress through yoga practice. And naturopathy says all diseases, its cause and treatment are one. That is, the cause is toxemia, accumulation of toxin in the body, and removal of toxin is the treatment. So detox and de-stress through yoga and naturopathy will give a holistic approach to be healthy and happy. Now let's see more about naturopathy. Naturopathy. Naturopathy is a way of life which helps an individual to maintain good health by preventing diseases and by improving the vital forces. So what is vital force? Vital force is the disease healing power of the body. So every human being has the healing power inbuilt. So naturopathy helps in enhancing that healing power and thereby cures the diseases. Let's see the basic principles of naturopathy. The first principle of naturopathy is unity in disease and unity of cure. So what is unity in disease? As I mentioned earlier, all diseases, its causes and treatment are the same. And second one is the cause. The primary cause is toxemia. And the treatment is removal of toxins from the body. And the third principle is doctor as a teacher. In naturopathy, doctor prescribes the treatment and also teaches the way of life for the prevention and cure of diseases. Number 4. Nature is the greatest healer. Our body has its own healing power to prevent from diseases and also gain health if unhealthy. And the fifth principle is food as medicine. Naturopathy believes that diet is the major factor which determines the health of a person. And the last one is Nature Cure treats the body as a whole, not the disease alone. And now let's see the treatment modalities in naturopathy. The main treatment modalities are based on the Pancha Mahabhutas, that is the earth, water, fire, air and space. So first treatment is diet therapy. So here we play the three main divisions of diet are eliminative, soothing and constructive diet. And according to the conditions of the patient, we'll be prescribing the diet and follow that. And second is fasting therapy, Langanam Parama Aushadam. That is, fasting is the best treatment. Fasting helps in the elimination of toxins from our body and improves the vital force. Thereby, it promotes the healing process in our body. And also, autophagy happens during fasting. What happens means in our body, the metabolic wastes and the dead cells and the disease cells are digested by our body itself during fasting. And the next is the hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is the treatment where we use water in different forms and temperature in the treatment of diseases. For example, we use baths, packs, douches, compressors, etc. And the next one is mud therapy. Mud therapy is used in the treatment of diseases. We use mud as packs and direct application to remove the toxins and also to regulate the metabolic process in our body. The next is heliotherapy, exposing the body to sunlight, which helps in improving the vital force and also it improves the vitamin D3 in our body, which is essential for the hormonal secretion and many metabolic processes. And next is yoga therapy. And yoga therapy, as you all know, it has a tremendous value in the prevention and cure of diseases. Yoga, it not only acts physically, it acts mentally also. It removes the stress from our body and it helps in many aspects to lead a healthy life. Last but not the least, acupuncture and acupressure. Both acupuncture and acupressure is an ancient system of medicine where what we do is we stimulate the energy points in our body, which regulates the energy flow and helps relieving pain and heals the diseases. By now, you would have gained the basic knowledge of naturopathy. By hearing, you would have gained knowledge but only through practice you can gain a better health. Take care of your health and health will take care of you. Thank you.